Hi, beautiful people. It's your girl Queen and Nikki. If you want to know how I achieve these two color on natural dread, keep watching. Do not skip. First thing, guys, because my client just came in and said, Queen and Nikki, I want this dread two color because she used to dye her dread gold, but this time around she said she wants two different color and she wants it very sharp. So I just told her to have a seat and let's begin to work on the hair. So I told her I'll be using pink color and dark green, and she said yes, she loved trying new colors, that she actually wants to get new look. That's how I begin to apply the dye on her hair. So firstly, I apply the pink color. I use it to base the dread from the root. So I apply it. After that, I just section the hair into three parts. Then I use my rubber band to secure where I want the color, the two different colors to start from. Can you see, guys? So I use the rubber band to differentiate them. So after applying the pink color at the roots of the hair, so I go ahead and apply the dark green on the tip. Can you see, guys? So you apply it one on it, on each portion. After that, you go ahead and you massage everything together. Just make sure the dye penetrates very well inside the hair. So I begin to massage it just for me to get a perfect result. So after that, I keep that particular one aside. Then I begin to apply another pink. This is the second time I'm applying the pink color on the hair. So you massage it very well while you are applying it. Can you see? So as you're applying it, you are massaging it so that the dye will penetrate very well. She wants everything from the roots to the tip. She wants it dye. She said that's how she wants it. She wants to have another look, that she's tired of carrying gold all the time. So she wants a different look and she wants it very sharp. So I say, okay, guys, let me share with you guys in case you have someone like this, my client, that wants to change her look and she wants two different colors. So I'm telling you guys now to try this particular color, dark green and pink. Is so beautiful. Welcome back to my channel once again, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into the channel. And if you are new here, you are welcome. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family if you haven't, so that you won't miss any of my video whenever I upload a new video. So the reason why you are turning your notification is just to get alerts that I've uploaded another video. That's all. It won't cost you anything. So guys, this is how I begin to apply. So after applying it for the second time, I still apply it. This is the third time. So I just want because I want the pink to come out very well. So this is the third time I'm applying it. So can you see? So as you all know, there is a kind of smell that dye used to bring. So this my client doesn't want that smell. So that's why she's trying to cover her nose. So the smell of the dye used to be choke one kind. So after applying the color, I begin to massage the hair very well because I want the color to penetrate inside. So after the massaging, I keep the hair for like 20 minutes before I begin to wash the hair. So guys, if you want to wash this particular dye, you first of all wash the first one, I mean the first part, before you begin to wash everything, so that there won't be any mess up while you are trying to wash everything, so that the first color will not stain the other color. So you wash the first one out before you begin to wash it thoroughly all together. So after washing it, make sure you use your neutralizer to remove all the chemical from the hair. And after washing the hair, I go ahead and moisturize the hair. And guys, this is the final look of the hair. If you love to try this color combination, let me know in the comment section. Bye bye, I love you.